Yes. See, I'm out here enjoying this, and some people are hiding in their houses, being afraid of being sick. That's interesting. That nature will make you sick. So you lock yourself in this stuff. You lock yourself in what you created. In that. And say you are safe. And I'm out here breathing this freshness, coolness, what nature provides so that it can revitalize me. I had to run away from that so that I can come to where I belong. Because that is an obstruction. You can see what it's doing to natural things. Look at what it's doing to that rock. Just think about it. It holds it captive. It's on its way. And it will wound it. It will hurt it. But here, you see how they collaborate. Look at. Look the rocks, look the big ones, look the small ones, look the leaves, look everything. There is collaboration going on. But look at the fight. Right there. You can see it. Am I lying? So I'm out here so that I can save my life. So that I can breathe this one, which is fresh. Feels good. I can take some of it and wash my face, take a bath right now. That was good. And see what it's doing. It's a war. Man versus nature. It's real. But look at this one. Nature versus nature. They just lie down there and chill out. And look, man versus nature. And it's a big company that people respect who create it. It's what we call the pacemakers of society that create that thing. And look, nature. Everything synchronizes except that. You can see the eyesore right there. We can do better. We just need mindfulness, meditation, humility, discipline, not indiscipline. Not indiscipline, not at all. No. See, everything has its place, and the beauty is there. Once man enters there, you see a destruction happening. Destruction, distraction. Humans will use theirs, and when they are tired with it, they don't know what to do with it. Then they dump it somewhere. This one, you will think maybe the river went and stole it from somebody's home. No, it didn't steal it. Somebody threw it away, and the river had to figure out where to keep it. And it got stuck there because the river was taking it somewhere. But look at what is coming now from it. See the journey? You can see human creation. You can see the difference. It's right there. It's coming down to meet me here. I didn't create it. I didn't bring it. I didn't use it. Somebody did. And look where it ends. And see the difference between that and nature. And when you leave there, you come down. Now the river has carried another one, looking for somewhere to keep it. It got stuck there. Right. Human beings. They created this, and this is where it ended. When they finished using it, they didn't know what to do with it. They just dumped it somewhere. Say, go away. Wherever you're going, that's your business. And this is the wherever, right here. It's a human being who used this. It's not nature. It's a human being who created this. You can see the difference between what is nature and what a human being created with his hands. It's like this. Look at the fight they are fighting. Look at the war they have. The war going on. There's a war. They don't want it, but they can't get rid of it. It's stuck with them. They are stuck with it. Nature cannot have its way because of what a human being created. And we are smart, as you say.